Hey guys, hello everybody. I'm Mitlesh from Microgenesis Cats of India. I'm here to help you guys with tips, tricks to resolve issues in Autodesk software. So today's our topic is how to handle the fatal error, that is 1603 error, while installing any Autodesk software. So whenever you try to install any Autodesk software, sometimes it is failed to install and error were showing that installation is incomplete and some products were failed to install. The reason behind is that if you earlier tried to install some software from our machine but it is not completely uninstalled. So for that, what we need to do and how to resolve that particular issue we will discuss here. So firstly, you need to go in the uninstall tool app. Install tool app, we need to completely uninstall the Autodesk related software that which we need to install or uninstall. By clicking on this, we need to completely uninstall this. Then after that, we need to go in the control panel. In the control panel, in the program features. In the program features, we need to check whether all the softwares that we need to uninstall are completely uninstalled or not. The Autodesk related applications which we need to uninstall, that are all completely uninstalled or not. Then after that, we need to go to the browser, and in the browser just search Microsoft Fix or Remove, and we need to download the Microsoft Fix or Remove, that is the uninstall tool app, install or uninstall tool app which we need to completely uninstall or reinstall any products. So we need to download that one. After downloading this, we need to open that Microsoft Fix Remove tool. Here click on next. Now detecting that whether some products are failed to uninstall or not. I mean, it is detecting whether some products are properly uninstalled or not. If it is not uninstalled properly, then that products will completely uninstall by this tool app, and it will help us to remove the bug. So here we need to check any Autodesk related folder or any Autodesk related file that we need to uninstall. Then click on next, and then try to click on as try to uninstall. Then it will be completely uninstalled from our machine. Then after that, we need to delete the extracted Autodesk folder from C drive. So go to the C drive and check Autodesk related folders. So here Autodesk folder is here. So we need to delete that particular Autodesk folder. Then after that, we need to check in the program files. In the program files, we need to check is there any Autodesk folder. We need to delete that one also. Then in that, there is a common files folder. In the common files folder, there is the Autodesk shared folder. We need to delete that folder also. Then after that, we need to go in the programs x86, and we need to do the same task as we do in the program files. We need to delete that Autodesk folder, and we need to delete that common files. In that common files, there is a Autodesk share folder. We need to delete that one. Then after that, sometimes some files were not viewed, that is the hidden files. So we need to check whether the hidden files are checked or unchecked. Then after that, we need to go in the program data. In the program data, we need to check Autodesk related folder. We need to delete that Autodesk related folder. Then after that, we need to go in the users. So in the users, we need to go with particular user. So in the particular user, there is a app data folder. In the app data, we need to check in the local and roaming. So in the local, there is a Autodesk folder. We need to delete that Autodesk folder. And we need to also check in the roaming. If there are any Autodesk related folder, we need to delete that one. Then after that, we need to go in the regedit. So in the regedit, we need to check with the three folders, that is HeyKey current user, HeyKey local machine and HeyKey users. So in that HeyKey current user, there is a software folder, and in that software folder there is a Autodesk folder. We need to delete that one. So it is a HeyKey current user folder is basically for completely restarting any Autodesk related folder. But here we need to completely uninstall the Autodesk folder or Autodesk software. So we need to go in the HeyKey local machine also. So in the HeyKey local machine, there is a software folder, and in that software there is a Autodesk folder. So we need to delete that one. Then after that, we need to go in the HeyKey users. In the HeyKey users, there is a default folder. So in the default folder, there is a software folder. In the software folder, there is a Autodesk folder. We need to delete that one. Then after that, we need to restart the machine. After restarting the machine, sometimes it is necessary, sometimes it is not necessary, that we need to download the Autodesk license services. So here the knowledge.autodesk.com, there is a first link. So click on that. And in the bottom, we can see here the Autodesk license installer zip folder is there. Just click on that. It will be download the zip folder of Autodesk license services. So here the Autodesk license services folder has been downloaded. Then we need to extract that Autodesk license installer folder, zip folder. After extracting that Autodesk license services folder, we need to click on run as administrator, and we need to install the Autodesk license services. So it will be unextracting the zip folder which we have been extracted, and it will be install the Autodesk license services. After that, what we need to do, we need to again go to the our downloaded Autodesk zip folder. That is our AutoCAD related software. That is a zip file which we need to again extract here. So right click on AutoCAD related folder and click on run as administrator. So here we can see it will directly by default extract to C Autodesk drive. So after that, by clicking on OK, our installation will again completed. So I hope you guys got the solution to resolve the issue that how to handle the fatal error, that is 1603 error while installing any Autodesk software. If you satisfied with our solution, then please subscribe us for more videos and kindly post your comments in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video. We will catch up soon with new videos and new issues. Bye, take care and be safe.